If one more squirrel steals my frozen berries, I swear I'll go defrost mode.
Oh, honey, relax. Nobody's here for your sad frozen peas. We came for the drama. Oops! Did I just ruin your spotless stainless steel ego? You're humming louder than a broken hairdryer, darling. Is that your talent? Oh, the heartbreak! A lonely fridge, humming to no one, dreaming of being a wine cellar. Somebody call Hollywood. That performance deserves an Oscar, a speech, and my own fragrance line.
Careful, Miss Runway. I can freeze anything, including that attitude.
Darling, the only thing colder than use is my interest.
Enjoy your warm leftovers, diva.
Sweetheart, I don't do leftovers.
Wait, what just...